In this lecture, we will going to learn about set difference operation. So what is the definition of set difference operation? The difference operation defines the relation consisting of tuples that are in relation R but not in S, where R and S must be union compatible. Look at the example, that is projection A, which means A is the attribute and R is the relation. Minus is the symbol for set difference operation, and projection C is the column name and S is the relation. The result of set difference operation is tuples which are present in R relation but are not in S relation. So where we use set difference operation, if we have a problem that is find all the tuples that are in R but not in S. Set difference operator is denoted by minus operator. You know that union compatible conditions that the schemas of two tables should be same. Here is the mathematical example. Set A contains 1 to 5 digit and set B contains 1 and 3, 2 digits. A minus B is equal to the 2, 4 and 5. Number 1 and 3 are not included in this set because these are from set B. Look at the example, relation R and S. After applying set difference operation, the result is here. Only one record is available in R minus S according to the set difference operation. Now we are going toward implementation section. Open XAMPP server, create test database and create a new table which is R with 2 columns, column A, B. Here data type is varchar, 11 and 30. Save the relation or table, create a new table with the name S according to our example, and columns are 2. So first one is ABC and the second one is D with varchar and 30 length. Save the table quickly. After that, insert data. Go to insert section, select the table and then select tab insert 1A, 2B and click on go button. Same as select S table and go to insert section 3C, 4D and click on go button. 2 tables are created successfully. So open console, clear it, select, make sure database test data is selected, select ID from table name R, where clause where ID not in, select ID from S, select all and then copy the query. After that press Ctrl plus enter to execute the query. So here we are using A column in R A, and here's the C column instead of ID. So copy the query, execute the query. So 1 and 2 columns, rows are selected. So go to S table and insert value with 1 and E, and again execute the query. What will be the result? So in this time the result is only 2 because R minus S. So S contains one record, which is C is 1, and A minus C 1 minus 1. So this record will not be in the result. Only 2 will be the record which is going to display in the result. And now insert another record in S with 2 and F. Now the result will be null or empty. So execute the query. So A is nothing because R minus S returns 0 tuples. So thank you for watching this video.